In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung S21 Ultra to TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a smart TV, I'm going to showcase what I believe is the most convenient way to connect your S21 Ultra to it. You will also be able to follow this with any other smartphone that you have, either from Samsung or other manufacturers. The feature should be available natively on modern Android versions. So all that you have to do is use Smart View. So swipe from the top of your device, the screen, and you will either find it here. So underneath the brightness control, you will find Smart View with this little icon, or you will have to swipe down to see all of the options. Just look for Smart View among all of these categories here. When you choose Smart View, you will be able to connect to nearby devices. So essentially, this is the most convenient way to set up these devices wirelessly. The only requirement is that both your smartphone and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. So if needed, connect your TV to the same Wi-Fi network that your phone is connected to. And once this is done, they will be able to talk between themselves. So whenever you go into the Smart View options, you will see all of the nearby devices and you will be able to find your TV, either from Samsung or other manufacturers such as Sony. And when you choose it from the list, you will be able to confirm this connection. It is important that you read this because, as you can see, everything visible on your phone's screen is going to be displayed, including passwords, payment details, photos, messages, and audio. So keep that in mind. If you tap Start Now, you will be able to control it in the settings on how it appears, but usually the default option will be good enough. But you can do full screen on phone or full screen on connected device and change some other miscellaneous settings. If this does not work, you can consider using a physical connection with a cable. So you just plug one end of a cable into your phone and then the other one goes into your TV. You can use multiple different cables like HDMI or see if your TV has a USB port, but I still recommend using Smart View. It is the most convenient way to do it, and you can do it fully wirelessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S21 Ultra to TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.